When a car gets a dent, choosing the right repair tool can make a big difference in the final result. Dent Lifter Glue Puller and the Suction Cup Dent Puller are two popular options. Both are designed to remove dents, but they work in different ways and are better suited for different situations. A Dent Lifter Glue Puller works by using special hot glue and plastic tabs that stick directly to the dent. This method allows the tool to attach firmly, ensuring the pulling force is applied precisely where needed. Once the glue hardens, the lifter pulls the dent outward with steady pressure. A Suction Cup Dent Puller, on the other hand, uses vacuum pressure to stick to the car surface and pull the dent out without glue. This approach simplifies the process and removes the need for heating or extra materials. It is simple to use and does not require any extra materials like glue or tabs. Glue pullers work well on curved or uneven surfaces, where suction cups may not stick properly. Their design allows the tab to conform to bends and subtle shapes in the car body. They can be used on doors, fenders, and body lines. Suction cup dent pullers need a smooth, flat surface to create a strong seal. They rely entirely on vacuum pressure, which requires uninterrupted contact with the metal. If the surface is not flat enough, the suction may fail. Dent Lifter Glue Pullers are best for small to medium-sized dents that need precise pulling. They allow users to focus on a specific spot without affecting the surrounding panel. They allow you to target specific areas of the dent. This precision helps maintain the natural lines and curves of the car body. Suction cup pullers are usually better for larger dents where more surface contact is available. The wide area helps distribute the pulling force evenly across bigger dents. Very small dents may not work well with suction cups. Glue pullers require careful use because the glue can leave residue if not removed properly. Using the wrong cleaning method can potentially leave marks or slight discoloration. If used incorrectly, there is a small risk of damaging the paint. Suction cup dent pullers do not use glue, which makes them safer for beginners. The absence of adhesives reduces the chance of sticky residue or leftover glue. They are less likely to harm the paint when used correctly. In conclusion, both tools are useful in different situations. A suction cup dent puller is ideal for quick and simple fixes on smooth surfaces, while a dent lifter glue puller offers more precision and stronger pulling power for smaller or curved dents. Choosing the right tool based on the type of dent and the surface will help you achieve the best possible result.